Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to calculate EMI in Excel. Okay, so if you want to calculate EMI, this video will show you how to do it. Here you will see I have created a table, and if I change any value in principal amount, rate or period, you will see the value will be changed here also. Okay, so if I change the value here from 2 lakhs to 50,000, okay, and you will see value will change here also. And then here you will see this is total amount paid over 50,000. If I taken loan of 50,000 and I have to pay 52,000, okay, 52,070 750 okay. So I am going to show you how to do that, how to make this calculator, EMI calculator in Excel. So first I have to just remove all the formula, okay. Then and also here, then we will use four formula: PMT, pre-PMT, IPMT and PV. Okay, PV means principal amount, IPMT interest payment, PPMT principal payment and PMT payment. Okay, so I'm going to change it to 2 lakh. Okay. Now outstanding amount. What is the outstanding amount? Outstanding amount is the amount which is remain in the loan. Okay, so as it is for first month, so you have to just equals to principal amount is equal to outstanding amount. Then this is principal amount. For finding to find out or calculate principal, what you have to do, you have to just equal to, then we will use PPMT. Okay, then here you will see rate. Okay, this is the rate. Okay, so you have to choose this one and you have to lock this, because in throughout the column this will remain same. Okay, so for locking you have to just click on F4. Now you have to divide it with 12 because it is annual rate. Okay, and we have to convert it into months. Okay, then comma per means if it is a first month EMI principal or second month principal. Okay, as we have taken the loan for 12 month. Okay, so this is first month, so you have to choose first month. Okay, then NPR means period of time. Okay, so this is the period of time, then you have to log this also. Okay, then comma this PV means principal amount, so this is the principal amount and you have to log this also, then bracket close. Okay, now one thing we have to do is we have to enter here minus before the principal amount, we have to enter minus. Then here you have to find out interest. Okay, so to find out interest we will use the formula IPMT. Okay, then here you will see it will ask for rate, so rate will be 10 divided by 12 and we will lock this cell also. Okay, then comma per means this is first month. Okay, then NPER means duration, time duration. Okay, or period. Then comma principal value is this. Okay, then we will lock this also. Okay, then bracket close, and before PV we will principal amount we have to put a minus. Okay, then we will calculate EMI. How to calculate EMI? You have to just equals to, we will use PMT. Okay, click on it, then rate should be 10. Okay, log this divided by 12, comma NPR means the period of time. Okay, we will log this also. Then PV means principal amount. Okay, we will log this also. Now before PV we have to enter minus. Okay, so this will be the EMI amount. Okay, we have to pay each month. Okay, now just drag this formula. Okay, and now we have to find out outstanding amount. So now second month outstanding amount is outstanding amount of first month minus EMI we have paid in first month. Okay, So this will be the outstanding. Okay, so like this you can calculate EMI in Excel. Now we will, here we have to find the total amount we have paid equals to sum, then we have to choose the range, bracket close. So for 2 lakh rupees we have to pay 2,10,998 rupees. Okay, so like this you can find out or calculate EMI in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.